Hi everyone. Welcome back to Amen Tools. In this video you will get to know how to transfer the data into your company's software. These are some of the images from data entry projects. This way will definitely help you to solve your manual typing problem. Image to Excel converter. Converted the images into Excel. Our Amen image to Excel converter software converted all your images into Excel like this, very good accuracy. Open Amen Auto Form Filler software. Select the pattern and upload the Excel file. Open company provided financial management form filling software. Press the begin button to start auto typing. And keep the cursor in the first field. Don't touch mouse while auto typing is going on. Check that the caps lock is off on your keyboard. Our Amen Auto Form Filler stimulate keyboard keystrokes just like manual typing. It means client software cannot detect auto typer. Our Amen Form Filling Auto Typer software is an advanced typing tool.
Our Amen Auto Form Filler stimulate keyboard keystrokes just like manual typing. It means client software cannot detect auto typer. Amen Form Filling Auto Typer software is an advanced typing tool. There is a chance of archiving 100% accuracy with Amen Auto Filler. So many people worrying about how to get Amen data entry with 100% accuracy. Once cross-check each and every field and save the form. Again repeat the same process for next form. Amen Automatic Form Filling app can help to ensure that all fields are completed accurately and that the information entered is consistent across multiple forms. Manual typing takes a long time and it is very difficult to sit and type for hours and hours. So by using our Amen Automatic Form Filling software you can save more time.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.